Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: usher, announce, herald, signal, guide, an assistant, a person who shows people in their seats, especially in a cinema theater or wedding reception, to point out the way for. Ma, are you getting? So herald, signal, guide, pilot, precursor, lead, attendant, conductor, doorkeeper, escort, marshal, all these words can be related to synonyms. Example: she ushered us into her office and offered us coffee. Officials quickly ushered the protesters out of the hall. A waiter ushered me to a table. Hope you are clear with that. Next one: fitful, spasmodic, intermittent, fluctuating, often stopping and starting and not happening in a continuous way. That is what we call it as fitful. Spasmodic, intermittent, fluctuating, broken, disturbed, not regular or not steady, episodic, occasional, erratic, bits and pieces, haphazard, irregular. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: continuous, perpetual, constant, habitual, undisturbed, regular, steady, even. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: as long as his breathing is fitful, he will continue with oxygen machine. One more example also can be given: he had a fitful hours of sleep. That means it's not a regular, constant. It will be irregular sleep. Erstwhile means old, former, past, previous. It's very clear, I think, so no doubt at all. We can see even some other synonyms: out of date, sometime, extinct, vanished, expired, oblivion, olden, belated, old fashioned, ancient, once, bygone, late, preceding, quantum. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: new, present, contemporary, current, extant, unborn, coming, future, ongoing, prospective. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the erstwhile president of the company was a good man. Mr. Tom and his erstwhile chum are not speaking to each other nowadays. Mr. Tom and erstwhile chum. What is the chum? CHUM. Friend. A close friend is called chum, CHUM. So the erstwhile president of the company was a good man. Mr. Tom and his erstwhile chum are not speaking to each other nowadays. One more example also given, and one more word: chum, CHUM, a close friend. Remember: fervent, enthusiastic, zealous, ardent. Already we discussed this word previously, you can recollect, and it is entirely different from jealous, JEALOUS. That means envy. So that is different word. This is zealous, ZEALOUS. Ardent, having of displaying a passionate intensity, used to describe beliefs that are strongly and sincerely felt. People who have strong, sincere beliefs, so those we call it as fervent. So synonyms: zealous, ardent, devout, earnest, passionate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: apathetic, dull, frigid, calm, cool, indifferent, insincere, dispirited, unconcerned. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Tilak is a fervent child, a fervent supporter of the Communist Party, a fervent supporter of the revolution. All these sentences can be given as examples. Are you clear? Inquest, investigation, probe, examination, a systematic search for the truth or facts about something, or a judicial inquiry to ascertain the facts relating to an incident. What we call it as inquest. So synonyms: probe, examination, hearing, trial, diagnosis, analysis, audit, questionnaire, All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, conclusions, findings. Example, an inquest is held due to the company's poor performance. Company's poor performance. Ebb, regression, gradually decrease of an emotion or quality, gradually decreasing. So of an emotion or quality, or to move away from the land. Tide water, mala, tide water, so which recedes, right? So that is what we call it as ebb. Synonyms, abatement, backflow, weakening, recede, go out, diminish, decrease, dwindling, fading away, reflex, sinking. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, improvement, growth, advance, enlarge, expansion, increase, development. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the causes of ebb were both internal and external. The causes of ebb were both internal and external. Extol, glorify, praise, applaud, celebrate. So to praise someone or something very much, that is what we call it as extol, glorify. Synonyms, applaud, celebrate, praise, acclaim, commend, laud, worship, compliment, cheer, admire, adore, salute. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, castigate, criticize, condemn, blame, lambast, denounce, humiliate, discourage, condemn, debase. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Malini is forever extolling the virtues of her children. Malini is forever always extolling the virtues of her children. Decrepitude, decay, feebleness, infirmity, weakness. That is what the meaning of decrepitude. The state of being old and in bad condition or poor health. That is what we call it as decrepitude. So synonyms again, feebleness, infirmity, debilitation. Hope you remember debilitate, right? Weakness, collapse, lowness. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, strength, energy, vigor, robustness, wellness, healthiness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the house was fallen into decrepitude. The house was fallen into decrepitude. Incumbent, that means a present, current, whoever holding the office or post. So that is what we call it as incumbent. Incumbent MLA, incumbent CEO. So present. Clear? One more meaning is also there, necessary for someone as a duty or responsibility. That is also called incumbent. So synonyms, current, existing, obligatory, present, binding, required, necessary, essential. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, past, future, unnecessary. If you see here, past, future, both are as antonyms for incumbent. Why? Because incumbent means present, and for present what is the antonym means future also comes and the past also comes. So lovely one, I can say. Antonyms, past, future, unnecessary. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the incumbent MLA was defeated. One more example, as per obligatory binding, we can say during this pandemic, it is incumbent upon all of us to make an extra effort. During this pandemic, it is incumbent upon all of us to make extra effort. Jolt, that means convulse, shake, disturb, jar, blow, knock. A forceful coming together of two things. That is what we call it as jolt. An abrupt, rough or violent movement. Or one more we can say, push or shake someone or something abruptly and roughly. That is what we call it as jolt. So of course again synonyms, disturb, jar, blow, knock, shake, convulse, kick, punch, setback, clash, jerk, impact, bump. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: calm, comfort. Example: the CEO's sudden retirement announcement was a jolt to us. One more example: we were worried that one tiny jolt could worsen her injuries. We were worried that one tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny jolt could worsen her injuries. Even teeny, T-E-N-Y, hope you remember ma, very small, right? Next one, shun, avoid, evade, eschew, keep away. Avoid means if you shun someone or something, you deliberately avoid them or keep away from them. You are doing deliberately, you are avoiding deliberately. That is what the meaning of shun. So if you shun someone or something, you deliberately avoid them or keep away from them. Avoid, synonyms: evade, eschew, keep away from, snub, neglect, disdain, elude, escape. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: accept, welcome, allow, approve, like, take on, meet. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Ram shuns parties and social events. Ram normally shuns parties and social events. Ameliorate, improve, to make better. That is what we call it as ameliorate. That too particularly to make a bad or unpleasant situation better. To make a bad or unpleasant situation better. That is what we call it as ameliorate. Synonyms: enhance, better, improve, alleviate, enrich, refine, step up, help, mitigate, lighten. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: worsen, damage, aggravate, harm, intensify. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: scratching your eye will not ameliorate the itching. 100% true, right? Scratching your eye will not ameliorate the itching. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.